Hi, good morning and good evening to all. Okay, today we are going to discuss how to create the structure, and how to create the table, And see, one more thing is what I said. If you people wants to understand this, how to create the structure or how to create the table, okay, we need to know how to create the domain and how to create the data element. Data elevator. We already discussed. We already discussed how to create the domain and data element. And one more thing, I'm saying without having domain, okay, without having knowledge of the domain and the data element, without having the knowledge of the domain and data element, you can't create the structure and table. If you want to create the structure and table, 100% you should have the yesterday's class knowledge, what we discussed yesterday, domain and data element. Okay. Now see, today we are going to discuss the structure. Okay. See, structure means what? A structure is a structure. A structure is a collection of. A structure is a collection of fields. Collection of particular fields. Collection of particular fields. Okay, a structure is nothing but a structure is a collection of the particular fields. A structure is nothing but a collection of the particular fields. Which particular fields we need to, for which particular fields we need to arrange a structure? Frequently used fields. For example, here you can see, okay, door number, street name, area name, city, district, state, country, pin code. See here, these particular fields, okay, these particular fields are called structures. See, if you specify these particular fields at a particular location, if you specify these particular fields at a particular location, that is called structure. That is called address structure. That is called address structure. See, that is called address structure. Okay. Here the structure means what? A structure is nothing but collection of the particular fields is called structure. Collection of the particular fields. Collection of the particular fields is called structure. Which particular fields? Is okay. See, which particular fields we people are going to use frequently. Which particular fields we people are going to use frequently. Which particular fields we people are going to use frequently. Those particular fields, if you specify at a particular location, that location is nothing but structure. For example, this is what it's an address structure. This is what it's a address structure. See, these fields are very common to all the people. If anybody asks you what's your address, means you will start here onwards. Door number, street name, area, city, district, state, country, pin code. These fields are very common for address. What's your address means everybody. It's everybody will say these about these fields. Okay, everybody will say about these fields. Okay. Okay. For example, see here, for employee, for housewife, for business people, for all the people, address is the common field. Address fields are the common. Which fields are common fields for all the people? Those particular fields, if you specify a particular location, that is called structure. That is called structure. Okay, that is called structure. Okay, yeah, 1 second here. Please revise tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class we people will discuss tomorrow. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss today's class. Yeah, see here, actually a structure is nothing but a structure is a collection of the particular fields. Which particular fields we people are going to use frequently? Which particular fields we people are going to use frequently? All those fields, if you mention it at a single location, at a particular location, that is nothing but structure. Now let's we go. For example, see here, this is address structure. For example, see here, customer ID, customer name, customer type. Okay, customer category. Okay, see all these are fields are related to customer fields. If you mention these particular fields at a particular location, that is a customer structure. That's a customer structure. Now let's we go how to create the structure. Okay,